Hello friends, now we are going to discuss about the primary air pollutant oxides of nitrogen. There are three types of oxides of nitrogen are present in the atmosphere. That is, they are nitrogen dioxide, nitrous oxide and nitric oxide. The sources of oxides of nitrogen are there are natural sources are there and anthropogenic sources are there. In the natural sources, by the biological oxidation of nitrogen compounds in the soil, that is going to release the nitrous oxide and nitric oxide are formed. Whatever the nitric oxide and nitrous oxide released into the atmosphere, they can easily get oxidized in the atmosphere and they are going to convert it into nitrogen dioxide. During the combustion, small amount of nitrogen dioxide is added into the atmosphere. In the anthropogenic sources, in the internal combustion engine which operates at a high temperature, the nitrogen and oxygen of the air in the engine form the nitric oxide and nitrogen dioxide, and thus exhaust gases from the IC engine may contain the nitrogen dioxide and nitric oxide. These nitrogen dioxide and nitric oxide which will enter into the atmosphere, they may react with the moisture and they are converted into the HNO3, that is nitric acid, which may leads into the acid rain. The effect of oxides of nitrogen are on human being, it causes the eye irritation, respiratory problems and produces the acid induced irritation, and it may leads into the lung cancer. In plants, it will form the brown spots on the leaf, which will suppresses the photosynthesis process, and it will also suppress the growth of the plant. On material, the acid rain damages the material and it into the form, because of the highest percentage of nitrogen dioxide present in the atmosphere, it will form the photochemical smog, which will leads to poor visibility of roads, and it will also cause the difficulties for the landing of aircraft on the road. Then, control of oxides of nitrogen. In IC engine, catalytic converter are used for the decomposition of oxides of nitrogen into nitrogen and oxygen. Here, nitrogen dioxide, whatever it is released, which has to be along with the exhaust gas, it has to pass with catalytic converter. Then it is converted into nitrogen and oxygen gas. Next primary air pollutant that we are going to discuss is the hydrocarbons. Many hydrocarbons we are going to use in the day-to-day life, in the perfumes, in the beauty materials, and also in the anthropogenic sources. We are going to use the hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons will also affect the health of the environment. The natural sources are aerobic decomposition of organic matter, which is going to add the methane gas, hydrogen sulfide and ammonia to the atmosphere. Anthropogenic sources are, the major source is from the unburnt gases of automobile exhaust. If the fuel is not burnt completely, we know that the fuel is made up of hydrocarbons. Hence, if the fuel is not burnt completely, then that unburnt hydrocarbons are added into the atmosphere, and which are going to affect the environment. The effect of hydrocarbons are causes the swelling of lungs, acetate irritation to the mucous membrane, and carcinogenic compounds causes the cancer like nicotine, and photochemical smog is formed. Formation of fan is which is dangerous, that is the peroxyacyl nitrates, which reduces the various crop yield. Then the control of hydrocarbons. The major source of CO and with hydrocarbon are automobile exhaust gas, which can be controlled by using the catalytic converter. Whatever the exhaust gas will comes from the automobile engine, it has to pass with the catalytic converter. Then this all carbon monoxide and methane gases like hydrocarbons, they are converted into the carbon dioxide. Then it is released into the atmosphere.